best keywords for YouTube and Google search, I recommend using TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer tool. You can launch Keyword Explorer now here or over on the side here. Once you click the tool, I recommend browsing what's trending today if you're looking to make a timely video. In this case, I'll select the XRP trending term, and then I'll type it here at the top. You select whatever the term is you're looking to optimize for. You'll see a number of suggested results below, and if one of those derivative results is good for you, then go for it. Click Explore when you're ready. It'll then populate the overall score for that keyword. I recommend only using the unweighted tab to get the cleanest results possible. A poor score means that the search volume to competition ratio is bad. So in this case, there is a lot of search volume for the term XRP, but there's a ton of competition. That's why the score is poor. So we need to select a keyword based on XRP that has a better ratio of search volume to competition. So over here in the YouTube tab, you'll see a number of related searches. Select one of those and see if you can get a much better score. I'll just choose the top result. As you can see, this keyword has an excellent score because it has high search volume, it has lower competition, and always make sure the number of monthly searches estimate is not listed as insufficient data. You want to see the data. Hundreds of thousands of monthly searches on this. Looks like a good keyword. In order to discover what your title should be, or maybe what your full video should be about this, I recommend going to the Video Topics tab and seeing if you can get inspiration from any of these topics. Also, in your research, click the Results tab here, and you'll see the top videos on YouTube for this particular topic. Here you want to get inspiration on titles and thumbnails, and you want to make sure that your title and your thumbnail stands out versus the top 10 results. Make yours look significantly different and ensure that your title offers way more value than the other videos here. Go back to the Summary tab, and if you want to optimize for Google search, click the Google tab here, and you can get further inspiration on keywords that you want to use. So for example, 2023 SEC and lawsuit appear to be top keywords for Google. So when I'm creating the title for this video, I may want to include those keywords as a part of my title, in my description, and my tags. When it's time for you to put together all this metadata and save it for later, including getting your tags put together, I recommend going to the Action tab down here at the bottom and create a new list. Name the list whatever you want this video to be called, or at least the working name of your video, and click OK. Once you've done that, you'll select common tags that are very relevant to your video. So I'll select a few of those right now. You'll also want to go into the Google tab and select any keywords or searches there that are directly related to your video. And I also recommend going into the YouTube tab and selecting searches or tags that are directly related to your video. Once you've done that, pull Action back up, scroll down the tag list here to go find the tag list that you just created. Here's mine. Once I click that, it's going to save all of this juicy metadata, including the main keyword, all those tags I put together, into that list so that you can use it for later when creating your final video that you're using to optimize for Google and YouTube search. Really quick, if you'd like more in-depth details about TubeBuddy and tools to help you grow on YouTube and to make the process faster and easier, go to notcorrupt.media. We've got a free downloadable guide there for you.